Okay, hi all. So this is the first video, should be the first video, in a playlist of more videos that I'll be adding as I redo this. Now, of course, right now it looks like a horror situation. This was my utility storage closet, had power cords, all that stuff in there, nothing important. But point is, y'all see how it's a hot mess. Okay, this is the walls. I'm not even gonna show you the floor because you're gonna be like Jesus, but this would be the day one. So yes, this is how it looks now, but this is not how it's gonna continue to be because I've just decided to have this as my display closet, meaning I'm gonna have my customized shoes, purses, and everything. I'm gonna have it displayed in here. I've been addicted to this lady on YouTube. Hopefully, I'll remember her name and be able to have her in the comments. Who customizes and makes everything out of boxes. I don't care if it's chandeliers, all that. And that was exactly what gave me the influence. The upstairs, when y'all see my display of my rhinestones behind me, those shelvings, I made those using priority boxes. Not even making this up. My gaming station, all that stuff downstairs, same thing. Those are made with boxes. And so I'm going to make the display shelves. Yep, I'm going to be using priority boxes. So yeah, and yes, you can do this because they said it legally terms, as long as I do not sell these boxes, I can do whatever I want with them. So they're going to be shelves. I'm going to paint them and I'm going to bling them and I'm going to have this whole closet just blinged out, beautiful, shook, and y'all all gonna be shook a dead. So like I said, this is day one. And nope, this is not gonna be a video where I'm like, oh yeah, this took me one day. No, this is gonna be a slow process, long process, but I have no rush because it's not a necessity. And I'm able to know and map out exactly how I want things, sketch a few thoughts and everything. And like I said, I just wanted y'all to go with me on that journey. So this is the before. This is the beginning. This is day one.